Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, ulang baka Citizenship Amendment Act kan ktah Kejala Meghalaya, na bagi jaka berok ki hap apo ka 6th schedule, bat ken lat ne kejing trekam jong ne kaan. Ulang baka ne kaan kan ktah than ne Kejala Meghalaya namar ki jaka 6th schedule kilalat ne kejing trekam ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act. Bat kendai point kendai ne shispa ki hap apo ka 6th schedule, bat kendiat ki de ki mamhap ha ka 6th schedule. Habalakali lak sarkar jela kan yai beteng ban buddian menekran bat sarkar India ban plat purai ke Meghalaya negajing pentrekam ya ke Citizenship Amendment Act. Conrad Sangma ulong batang katto kan ne ke jaka municipal ne ke European Ward kabadan kumba R square kilometer. Dan kumta kan dadan kejing kta namar barok we jela kelalat na kejing pentrekam ya ke Citizenship Amendment Act.
That are polarizing the people, or what's your stand?
No, I don't have any comments on why the timing. The government of India is doing its part from terms of the bill that was passed 4 years back. It's the rules. But from Meghalaya's point of view, it doesn't really impact us much because the 6 scheduled areas, are completely exempted from the CAA. And hardly, as I said, we used to say 99%, but it's actually 99.9999%. There's a small section which is non-scheduled area. But apart from that, the entire scheduled area has been exempted, so it will not have any impact on the state of Meghalaya. But as I said, the question of government of India coming up with rules, those are procedures that are followed by government of India. See, we're not understanding what this whole thing is. There is hardly municipal area of 2 to 3 or this entire European ward of 2 square kilometers or 1 square kilometer, whatever it is. It's really not a big impact. The entire rest of the state is exempted from it. So I think we are looking at that one dot which is there and not realizing that the rest of the 99.999% is not included. That's what is important to note. So this one dot is there because of a technical issue. Otherwise, the entire 6 scheduled area is exempted from the CAA.